AI and machine learning in drug discovery. Transforming the future of medicine. Introduction. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, are revolutionizing drug discovery by accelerating research, reducing costs, and increasing the precision of treatments. These technologies are reshaping pharmaceutical development, from target identification to clinical trials, making personalized medicine a reality. In this comprehensive guide, we delve into the impact of AI and ML on drug discovery, the latest innovations, ethical considerations, and what the future holds. Please subscribe. 1. The role of AI and ML in drug discovery. Understanding AI and machine learning. AI refers to computer systems that mimic human intelligence, while ML is a subset of AI that enables machines to learn from data and improve over time. In drug discovery, these technologies help analyze vast datasets, predict molecular interactions, and optimize clinical trials. Key applications. 1. Target identification. AI predicts potential drug targets by analyzing genetic and biochemical data. 2. Lead optimization. ML models evaluate compound structures to find the most effective drug candidates. 3. Clinical trials. AI enhances patient selection, reducing trial costs and failures. 4. Regulatory compliance. AI ensures adherence to regulations by analyzing documentation and research findings. 5. De novo drug design. AI algorithms generate entirely new molecular structures with optimized properties. 2. AI-driven drug development. From discovery to market. Identifying drug targets. AI accelerates the process of identifying disease-related genes and proteins, significantly reducing the time required for drug discovery. This involves integrating genomic, proteomic, and biochemical data to pinpoint precise molecular targets that can be manipulated with drugs. Screening and optimization. 1. Virtual screening. AI algorithms analyze millions of compounds to find the best candidates. 1. Traditional drug screening methods are labor-intensive, but AI-powered simulations and predictive models enable researchers to evaluate thousands of compounds quickly. 2. Molecular docking. AI predicts how a drug will interact with its target at the molecular level. 2. These simulations provide insights into the binding affinities and stability of drug-target interactions. 3. Structure-based drug design. ML models refine drug structures to improve efficacy and reduce side effects. 3. AI enhances precision in predicting the most stable configurations and modifications of drug molecules to optimize their pharmacokinetics and dynamics. 4. AI in medicinal chemistry. AI-assisted synthesis planning accelerates the process of creating novel compounds by identifying efficient synthetic routes. Clinical trial optimization. AI improves trial design by predicting patient responses, ensuring better recruitment, and optimizing dosage regimens. By analyzing real-world data, AI enhances protocol design and predicts trial outcomes, reducing risks associated with expensive late-stage failures. 1. AI-driven biomarker discovery. AI helps identify biomarkers that can predict treatment efficacy, making trials more targeted and improving success rates. 2. Real-world evidence integration. AI models incorporate electronic health records, wearable device data, and patient-reported outcomes to refine trial parameters and enhance post-market surveillance. 3. The impact of AI on pharmaceutical companies. Cost reduction and efficiency. AI reduces R&D costs by automating repetitive tasks and improving decision-making processes. By identifying promising drug candidates faster, AI shortens development timelines and minimizes wasted resources. Personalized medicine. AI enables the development of personalized treatments by analyzing patient-specific genetic data. AI-driven diagnostics and patient profiling allow for tailored therapeutic approaches, enhancing treatment outcomes while minimizing adverse reactions. Predictive analytics in drug repurposing. AI helps identify existing drugs that can be repurposed for new therapeutic uses, significantly reducing development time. By analyzing patterns in molecular structures and biological pathways, AI can match existing drugs to new indications. 4. Challenges and ethical considerations: data privacy and security. The use of AI in drug discovery requires handling vast amounts of sensitive data, raising concerns about privacy and security. Ensuring data anonymization, regulatory compliance, and cybersecurity measures is crucial. Bias in AI algorithms. Bias in training data can lead to inaccurate predictions, affecting drug efficacy and patient safety. Ensuring diversity in datasets and transparency in AI decision-making processes is essential. Regulatory and compliance issues. AI-driven drug discovery must comply with regulatory requirements, ensuring transparency and accountability. Regulatory agencies are working towards AI-specific guidelines to validate predictive models and AI-assisted research. Ethical AI implementation. The ethical implications of AI in medicine, such as decision-making, transparency, and patient consent, need careful consideration. AI should be designed to complement human expertise rather than replace it entirely. 5. Case studies. AI in action. DeepMind's AlphaFold has revolutionized protein structure prediction, accelerating drug discovery efforts. By providing highly accurate models of protein structures, AlphaFold enables researchers to design better targeted drugs. IBM Watson Health. IBM Watson leverages AI to analyze medical literature, identifying potential drug candidates more efficiently. By rapidly processing scientific publications, Watson speeds up knowledge discovery and hypothesis generation. In silico medicine uses AI to design novel drugs, reducing development time from years to months. AI-powered simulations allow researchers to test compounds virtually before conducting physical experiments. Benevolent AI employs machine learning to analyze biomedical data and generate new hypotheses for drug discovery. Their AI-driven approach has led to breakthroughs in various therapeutic areas. 6. The future of AI and ML in drug discovery. AI-powered automated labs. Fully automated AI-driven labs will conduct experiments, further accelerating drug discovery. These labs will integrate robotic automation, cloud computing, and AI to streamline research workflows. Quantum computing and AI. Quantum computing will enhance AI capabilities, solving complex biological problems at an unprecedented scale. Quantum-driven AI models could revolutionize molecular simulations and reaction predictions. Integration with blockchain technology will enhance data security, ensuring transparency in AI-driven research. Immutable and decentralized records will improve data integrity and facilitate regulatory compliance. Explainable AI in drug development. As AI plays a greater role in drug discovery, ensuring that AI-generated insights are interpretable and trustworthy will be critical. Explainable AI models will help scientists understand AI decisions and refine hypotheses accordingly. AI in precision pharmacology. AI will enable real-time monitoring of drug responses, allowing for continuous adjustments in dosage and treatment regimens based on patient-specific data. Conclusion. AI and ML are transforming drug discovery, making the process faster, more efficient, and cost-effective. As these technologies continue to evolve, they will play an even more significant role in developing innovative treatments, improving patient outcomes, and reshaping the pharmaceutical industry. The integration of AI in drug discovery will not only accelerate the development of new treatments but also enhance their precision and accessibility. However, addressing ethical challenges, regulatory concerns, and ensuring equitable AI implementation will be key to maximizing its benefits. Stay updated on the latest AI breakthroughs in drug discovery to stay ahead in the rapidly advancing world of biotech. Please subscribe.